past 2 weeks have been deeply emotional for the Ismaili community and for all those around the world who had known my father or been touched by his work. I am awed by the outpourings of affection and respect for my father and the impact he made during his lifetime. His is indeed an immense legacy for us all to carry on. On behalf of my family and me, I would like to express our deepest gratitude and admiration for the outstanding way in which our community immediately and seamlessly arranged the events that took place in Lisbon and Aswan. Beyond the flawless execution of the events themselves, millions of people in over 70 countries were able to participate through video streaming, images, and narration on the Ismaili digital channels. Organizing this involved a small number of our staff and a huge number of volunteers working around the clock, with a clear unifying goal of holding a graceful series of events made widely accessible to the community wherever physically possible. This was done with sensitivity and care for all those participating. My uncle, siblings, our children, and I see and appreciate all those who were involved, not just the leaders who were dealing directly with my family and me, but every single person who contributed, wherever they are. Our tradition of volunteer service and its effectiveness is a source of enormous strength for our community, and I feel fortunate to be able to call on this for the benefit of my Jamat. Well done to all involved, and especially to the handful of senior leaders who worked day and night to orchestrate all of this, and who provided tremendous support to my family and stable leadership to the community at this critical and difficult time. Knowing that we can rely on each other at a time like this is a source of the greatest comfort and reassurance. My sincerest thanks again to all those involved in making the events of the last 2 weeks fitting, simple, and beautiful. Aga Khan.